Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, on factor a raised to power x out, that is, we have a raised to power x into bracket 1 plus 1 left here, close bracket, equals to 80 on this side. At this here, we have 8 raised to power x times 1 plus 1, that's 2, equals to 80 from here. The next step, we divide both side by 2. As this divide this side by 2, also divide this side by 2. Here, 2 cancel each other here. And we have 8 raised to power x left equals to 80 over 2 here. As this here, we have 8 raised to power x equals to this same thing as 2 times 40 over 2. And here, 2 cancelled each other. As this, we have 8 raised to power x equals to 40 from here. Okay, next step, we take the log on both sides. As this, we have log 8 raised to power x equals to log 40 here. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. As this here we have x log 8 equals to log 40 on this side. Then here we divide both sides by log 8. As this, divide this side by log 8. Also divide this side by log 8. As this here log 8 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 40 over log 8. The next step here, we can write 40 as 8 times 5. And what we have becomes x equals to log 8 times 5 over log 8. That is, here we apply the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here we have x equals to log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. That is, we separate this into two fractions and we have x equals to log 8 over log 8 plus log 5 over log 8. Then here, log 8 cancel each other here. We have 1 left here. That is, x now equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 8. And also here, we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2. It's same thing as 2 raised to power 3. And what we have here becomes x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 2 raised to power 3. And we apply the power law of logarithm here. 3 comes there and we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over 3 log 2, which is same thing as x equals to 1 plus 1 over 3 log 5 over log 2. Then we apply change of base here. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 1 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Then we bring this together as one fraction. This is 1 over 1. That is, we have x equals to the SCMA plus 3. And here we have 3 plus log 5 base 2. This, we have the value of x in this problem as x equals to 3 plus log 5 is 2 all over 3. Then let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. This is substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3. Then what we have here becomes 8 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 plus also 8 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is it equals to 80 on this side. Then here, this follows when we add same thing together when we have a plus a and write this as 2 times a. This here, I write this as 2 times 8 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is it equals to 80 on this side. Then also here, this becomes 2 times 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, which is raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 is this equals to 80 on this side. Then this power multiplies, 3 here cancelled each other. This becomes 2 times 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 left. Is this equals to 80 on this side. This follows a law of indices. That is, when we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. That is, we have 2 times 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Is this equals to 80 on this side. Then here we have 2 times 2 raised to power 3, that's 8. Then times, this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. And here, the same thing as 5, is it equals to 80 on this side. And we have 2 times 8, 16, times 5, is it equals to 80 on this side. 16 times 5 here equals 80, which is equals to 80 from here. That is, left hand side equals the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos. And turn on the notification bell on. Share this video. Give a thumbs up and put your comments. Also join our membership package for access to more videos and exclusive perks. And thank you. See you in our next class. And bye for now.